Hey there gaming fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best gaming PCs in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these gaming PCs, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright guys, so the first gaming PC we've got for you today, at our number 5 spot, we've got the Corsair One i160. Coming up next in our number 4 pick, we've got the Dell G5 Gaming Desktop. Next up in our number 3 spot, we've got the MSI MEG Trident X. And coming in at number 2 on our list, we've got the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR Desktop. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Alienware Aurora R10. Alright gaming fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comment section which gaming PC you think you'd like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.